In the heart of Europe, two competing legends swirl around one of the world's most beloved bread, bagels. But beneath its golden doughy exterior lies a story filled with scandal, rebellion, and a lesson that continues to resonate today. Our tale begins in 1683 when King John III Sobieski of Poland led a daring charge to break the siege of Vienna, saving Europe from the Ottoman forces. In honor of his victory, one story claims that a local baker created a circular bread resembling a stirrup, symbolizing the king's love for horseback riding. Thus, the bagel was born. But another, far darker origin story comes from 9th century Prussia or Poland. Jewish bakers, oppressed by a law forbidding them to bake bread, rebelled in the only way they could. Stripped of their ovens, they began to boil their dough instead, creating the bagel as we know it. What started as an act of survival in the face of anti-Semitism became a symbol of resilience and creativity. The battle over the bagel's origin mirrors our own struggles today. Just as those bakers adapted and thrived despite adversity, we too must find innovative ways to overcome discrimination, injustice, and challenges that society imposes on us. A sweeping battlefield in 1683, with King John III Sobieski on horseback at the front, leading his Polish cavalry into the fray against the Ottoman forces. Smoke and dust rise from the chaotic battlefield as Sobieski raises his sword, ready to charge. A humble bakery in Vienna. A middle-aged Polish baker with flour-covered hands is sculpting dough into a round, stirrup-like shape, the fire of the oven flickering in the background. His expression shows inspiration as he forms what will become the first bagel. A dimly lit medieval bakery. Several Jewish bakers gather around a wooden table, their faces tense with frustration as they discuss the oppressive law forbidding them from baking bread. Behind them, stacks of unbaked dough wait as the bakers search for a solution. The bakers boiling dough in defiance of the anti-Semitic law. In a dramatic kitchen scene in a medieval town, one of the bakers carefully lowers raw dough into a pot of boiling water. Steam rises dramatically, and the expressions on the bakers' faces are a mix of determination and defiance. The bakers selling their boiled bagels in the bustling market. A lively medieval marketplace filled with stalls. The Jewish bakers are proudly selling their newly invented boiled bagels. People of all classes, from peasants to nobles, are curious and lining up to taste the innovative bread. The air is filled with the hum of trade and conversation. A royal figure sampling the new bagel, approving with a smile. In a grand banquet hall in a European castle, a royal figure dressed in fine robes takes a bite of a bagel, his eyes lighting up with surprise and delight. Around him, nobles look on curiously, intrigued by this humble bread. A modern Jewish family enjoying bagels at a family breakfast, reflecting on the origin story. A present-day protest against discrimination with signs and chants showing the struggle for justice and equality. Closing scene with a bagel symbolizing unity, resilience, and innovation, floating in a peaceful background. This story teaches that resilience in the face of injustice can lead to innovation. Just as Jewish bakers in the past found a way to thrive despite oppression, we too can rise above the challenges placed before us by society. Creativity, courage, and adaptation are the keys to enduring through difficult times and emerging stronger.